Thanks for joining me today. In today's video, we are going to go over the 12 count side step, marking step, and this marking step you will use forever in flamenco in some sort of form or iteration. And remember that the 12 count in flamenco is the majority of the tempos and the time signatures. So we have alegrías, solea por bulería, guajiras, solea, etc., etc. You will use this forever. And if you need more help with your flamenco journey, I would love to have you inside my Online Flamenco Studio. There is a link below for a free 10-day trial, but there's also a bunch of other links for some other fun free stuff for you. So let's begin. Okay, before we begin our actual marking step, let's review what the compás, the 12 count compás is. So we remember it is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we have that as the compás, and if you need review with that, what that compás is, there's other videos that you can watch that are available on my channel. Okay, so let me show you real fast what the marking step is. It's going to be just a basic out, cross out, back forward, forward, cross, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's break that down. Okay, so we first start going to the right. That back leg, we are going to step out and then cross out and then step back with the left, back, and then forward, forward, and cross. Okay, again. So we have and out, cross out, and then back, back, and then step forward, forward, and cross. All right, so some things to remember is that when you're stepping, you want to step with the ball of the foot. You don't want to go clonk, clonk with a flat foot, so you want to keep those knees relaxed. When you step out, keep that heel up, and then you slowly bring that heel down. So we have, again, out, cross out, and then step back, and then step forward, forward, and cross. Okay? So again, step lightly. Don't drag that back leg. You don't want to be Frankenstein there. You want to cross lightly. Bum, ba-dum. And then when you cross over to pivot, you want to pivot that standing leg. Because if not, bum, bum, you get stuck. Okay? All right, so you have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now remember your posture when we're doing this. Right now we can keep our hands on our hips, but you want to zip in those abs, open up the chest, shoulder down, and keep everything relaxed down here. Again, we have and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's try the left side. Back leg, the left, out, cross out, back, step, step, and cross. Okay, and now let's repeat. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's practice that with solo compás. That's the drum machine. And then we'll speed it up so we can dance with the guitar. 4, 5, 6, ta-ka-tan, ta-ka-tan. And 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. Out, cross out, back, forward, forward, crossed, out, cross out, back, forward, forward, cross. So take small little steps. Keep the knees relaxed. Chest up, abs in. Ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, 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 ba-dum. And 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. One more round. 12, 3, 4, back, forward, forward, cross, out, back, forward, forward, cross. Let's speed that up. Ta-ka-tan, ta-ka-tan. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So relax those knees, relax the hips, keep the abs in, chest up, out, cross out, back, forward, forward, cross out, back, forward, forward, cross. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 12. Ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum. Now let's add the guitar. So this palo, this rhythm is alegrías. Happy, happy, happy. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out, back, forward, forward, cross. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Ba, ba-dum, ba, ba, da. Out, cross, out, back, forward, forward, cross. 6, 8, 10. Last round. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Out, back, forward, forward, cross. Thanks for joining me in today's lesson. If you want to continue your flamenco journey with me, I would love to have you inside my online flamenco studio. It's a monthly membership for dancers from new beginners all the way through advanced levels, and we speak, feel, and dance flamenco in there. There are over 60 courses in choreographies, technique, and flamenco theory, plus a vibrant community of dancers from all around the world that you can connect with. And we have monthly challenges, workouts, training sessions, practice sessions, everything that you need to progress in your flamenco journey so you can become the dancer that you dream about. And if you want to join us, there is a 10-day free trial that you can get right now. So I hope to see you in there.